Take a ride in the 2026 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.